Hey guys, we're going to start with paragraph 5.4. Paragraph 5.4 is about parabolas. And you can see a few parabolas over here, and this is basically a theory we need to know. I'm going to show you what a vertex is, what an axis of symmetry is, and how to get it. No, first of all, I have made my own example over here. You can see a parabola over here. It's roundish and it has a lowest value or a top value, and that lowest value or the top value is called the vertex. And what do you need to do with a vertex? If you have a graph, you need to be able to write down what the vertex is. So simply put over here the vertex is -1, -2, because you can see over here it's -1 and then -2. And this is also called an upwards facing parabola. And the upwards facing parabola, you can see here that the function is there's a positive number in front of it. That's always the case, and how can you remember that? We can see a smiley over here. It's smiling, happy, happy, joy, joy. And if it's smiling, and it's happy, it's positive. So if there's a positive number, it is smiling, and it's an upwards facing parabola. If I change it into a negative number, you can see it is not smiling anymore. It is a sad parabola, and that sad parabola is negative. It has a sad face, a sad smiley, and that's negative. So a negative number in front of the squared means that it is sad, so it is a downward facing parabola. A positive number in front of the x squared is a happy parabola, so an upwards facing parabola. So we had upwards and downwards facing parabola. That with the sad and the happy is not in your book. It's a way to remind what it is, and you need to see the movie. And right here you can see there's another thing, the vertex, and besides the vertex we have an axis of symmetry. An axis of symmetry is basically if you put a mirror over there and you look at it, it looks the same. It's the same to the left side and the right side of the axis of symmetry. And the axis of symmetry is over here, this line. What is that line? That's the line where every x is -1. Let me write it down for you. Over here, x is -1. Here you see it. That's it. Remember, it's a vertical line. If you have a vertical line, then it is always x is and then the number where it crosses the x-axis. And this is the line of symmetry. Okay. You got all this with if it's an upwards facing parabola or downward facing parabola, what the vertex is and the axis of symmetry? Yes. If not, read bits in the book, that's over here, or review this movie. I want you to practice it with this parabola, and with this parabola, I want you to write down if it's 1. The first thing, if it's an upwards or downwards facing parabola. Second thing, if the number in front of the x squared in the formula is positive or negative. I want you to write down the vertex. And I want you to write down the formula of the axis of symmetry. Okay, discuss it in class. See you then. Bye.